1,473 and 74 pence in 31 days. Today alone, this is 4th May 2020, 348 and 14 pence during this lockdown. During this period, it's harder to make money online, and not alone selling things on online, but I managed to make a couple of thousands in this month. But as you see here, this is one of my eBay account. The sales are increased in 351%, guys, in 31 days. There's a big spike here for 390, and there's a big spike here 447, and there's a big spike here 348 today. Others are smaller items, but I managed to make this kind of money. I will show you how I did that and how I make the money, how I find the things to sell online. I will tell you everything, guys, what I did it. It's not going to work for you guys, or maybe work, but what I did, I will explain to you guys. You can go and check it out. Before that, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like and share. I try to upload one video per day, so if you really like my video, subscribe, like and press the bell icon. Also don't forget to click the like video. So we get in the video, guys. This is eBay sale, one of my eBay account. So you can see 1,473 pounds in 31 days. These big sales happen in last 2 weeks, and today alone I sold 4 items in total around 348 and 14 pence. Okay, I can refresh the page and show you it is not an insert element setup. You can see 348. also I'm saying show the item I sold. So for example, if I go to there and there's all orders here, I will show what item I sold. But this eBay account is totally different from whatever the item you're gonna sell online. You can see a certain item here. These are vintage toys, these are today's sales, and this one I sold is a big pedal cars in 50s 60s pedal cars for 435 pounds. So what did I did to get these sales? First, so I selling on eBay and Amazon. My items are sold out because I didn't buy larger bulk orders. So whatever I have, I sold it already. Now people can't make sales buy things from China at the moment. So there's a restriction in certain countries, so it's harder to for the third-party sales on Amazon. It's harder to fulfill their item because all the item become out of stock. Also on Amazon only shipping essential item at the moment. So eBay is different because you and me, we're gonna ship the item. So if you see this trend, the eBay trend is going up, is 100% now. This trend will go up during the Christmas time. You can see in November December 2019 there's a graph over 90s, otherwise is around 87, but you can see the trend from March to now is at 100% because worldwide, because people are using eBay to buy these things. So if you have a useless item in your house that you can't you need a space for it, you want to throw them out, instead of throwing out in the bin, go and sell it on eBay. These are used items, used toys. A future project I want to do it, but I don't have a time. Project mean repairing, repainting and stuff, which I can't do that at the moment, so I started selling on eBay. Now this is one thing I did. A second thing, my neighbors are cleaning their garages. Okay, I said them, I went to them, I will help you, or I can clean it up, or I can take away the things that you want to throw them in a bin and go and check it out their garage. Whatever the thing they want to throw them out, so you can physically see what you can sell it on eBay, like toys, like used electronics, collectibles, even pots and cooking used utensils, something like that. So I went there and collected. This is how I collect this pedal car. Actually, I paid for this. I paid 50 pounds for this pedal car. I get it from my neighbors, and I sold it for 435, guys, because they don't know the values and you can make easy bucks, guys. Now then, second thing I did, I contact my family members and friends through video chat. I didn't went there because it's lockdown and everything. They show their all the items they want. This throw them in the bin. So I asked them to put it in the in front of the house. I went there and collected and put it in the sale. This is how I able to put these items in a higher price, and people are buying it. People are buying it on eBay, guys. The eBay sales is going up. If you have a useless item, any item that you can sell, but one thing you do when you list an item on eBay, go to your mobile eBay applications. There's a section called send offers. Basically what that do is, if I can go and check it out here, I can show you guys listing active. It will tell you at the moment I have around 2,700 something worth items are listed on here. So sorry, 3,740 pounds worth of items are listed here. Over 70 listing here. You can see these are the listing I have. Now if I slide a little bit here, it will show number of people viewing this item in the past from the listing is alive, and this will show the number of watches. Basically what they did, these people add this item in their watch list. So whatever you do, if you change the listing price or postage price or description, it will alert those watches. So what I basically did for today, for those 4 items, I have more than 6 watches for each item, so I sent a offers. For example, if I go to all orders, and these items each not this one, and this one and this one is worth, I put original price is £100. I sent them a £90 offer. One of the watches liked it, they accepted the offer and they paid for it. Again here it's 120, I sent them 110, then the buyer said 100, then I sent 105, and I eventually sold for 105. Like this, guys, you need to interact with these watches to get the sales initially. Then if you list in different items, eventually in this time people are going to buy it from eBay. So you can easily make a couple hundred every single month from eBay by selling used items. Thanks guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to click subscribe button, and don't forget to like my video, guys, and see you on next one, and have a good day.